Hi folks, Dr. Byer here. You know, I know this time of the year everybody's worried about weight loss, and we're almost into February now, so some of those weight loss plans that we tried didn't work. You know, if you've heard me talk before, I'm a really big believer, and you got to control your metabolism. If you have underlying metabolic problems, you're never ever going to lose weight just with diet and exercise alone. It's just an effort and futility, and it gets very frustrating, and you give up quickly. I know how the human body works. I know that if the human body, if your immune system is not working, if your thyroid gland is not working, you are never ever going to lose weight. Because if your immune system is not working properly, it means that you are chronically inflamed. And when you are inflamed, you cannot burn fat. So what I want to share with you this week is a special patient of mine. Her name is Cheryl. Cheryl came to me overweight, and she was tired all the time. She was worried about her thyroid. She wasn't sure if she had a thyroid problem or not. And when Cheryl came to me, we ran our testing. She decided to do our program, and we found that Cheryl had, amongst other things, chronic yeast infection in her gut, which means the immune system is always overworking trying to get rid of that yeast infection. She had blood sugar issues. The main thing that she had, though, she was extremely autoimmune, which means her immune system was attacking different areas of her body. Her immune system was forming antibodies to her thyroid, to her adrenal glands, to her brain, to her gut, and a few other areas I can't even remember. From a functional medicine point of view, this is very important to us because we know there's got to be reasons why the immune system would do this. And we knew that her triggers were the yeast infection and multiple food sensitivities and her blood sugar issues. So I'm going to share with you her testimony right now.
Hello, my name is Cheryl Andrews. I am 52 years old. I found Dr. Byer almost like being touched by an angel. I was having a procedure at the hospital for having issues with swallowing, and the nurse there just touched my arm and said, "You need to see Dr. Byer. He will help you." That was after I was telling her all my medical issues. I had severe thyroid problems. I had gained 80 pounds, losing my hair, alopecia, which they told me it's an autoimmune disease, nothing can happen. They couldn't do anything for my hair. So I was just slowly deteriorating, and no energy, no will to even do anything. So I looked up Dr. Byer and came to him, and I am with him 5 months. I've lost 52 pounds. My hair, as you can see, has grown back, which has been tremendous boost to just self-esteem and everything else. So I am thankful that I found Dr. Byer because he has given me my life back.
Thanks, Cheryl. So now what we did with Cheryl is we identified through the lab testing, we identified what was going on. And you have to understand that, you know, she been to multiple doctors and tried different medications and everything. And what was quite interesting is the day that video was shot, I believe she was going for her first haircut in 12 years. In fact, I forgot to mention that her immune system was also attacking her hair follicles. And she had been getting injections from her dermatologist to try to quell or slow down the immune system, and it wasn't working. And when she came to me, her hair was all in blotches. She hardly had any hair at all. And you can see in the video that it was really growing in nice and thick. So she's quite pleased. And I think she said she lost 52 pounds. And when people come to me and they're overweight, you know, I don't really focus on weight loss and calories and all that. We focus on getting the body's systems to work right. And the main thing I want you to understand that if your immune system's attacking your thyroid, or if it's chronically working to get rid of gut infections or chronic viruses that you may have around, or if you're eating foods and your immune system's reacting to them, you're never going to lose weight because your immune system's constantly being stoked. And this is a big problem in our society today because, like I mentioned before, the purpose of our immune system is to protect the body, to get rid of things that don't belong in the body. Well, let me ask you a question. Do you think there are more things in our environment today that don't belong in our body than there were 20, 30, 40 years ago? Well, you know the answer to that. Of course there are. Even our foods have been genetically modified. There's so many more environmental chemicals that we get exposed to that our immune system has to constantly work and try to get rid of. So it's really important that if you want to lose weight, you want to lose fat, you have to approach these underlying metabolic conditions like thyroid conditions and autoimmunity. Then when you get those under control, diet and exercise are very important. but then they work beautifully, like putting butter on a hot skillet. You'll burn that fat, just like Cheryl did in so many of our other patients. I encourage you to go to our website, Bayer Natural Health Solutions. In our website, I have a list of different seminars that I give and talks that I give. And so, I want you to know that that is there available to you to get more information about your health. Hope to see you soon.
If you would like to attend one of Dr. Bayer's recovery workshops on thyroid conditions or weight loss, please call the clinic at 708-336-3392. Visit us online at BayerNaturalHealthSolutions.com, ThyroidRecoveryWorkshop.com, or MetabolicWeightLoss.com. Thank you.